Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirupur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Gion International for documentation executive. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 17,000 a month. There is a job summary and responsibility and duties given here. Good experience candidate for documentation or accounts executive for their company Gion International. Responsibilities and duties if you see handling day-to-day banking works and should prepare LC related documentation and should prepare stock statements, other papers as required by banks. You should be able to data entry in Tally ERP9 and should be able to prepare Excel reports and you should be able to handle petty cash. So these are all the just responsibilities and duties assigned for this job role from Gion International. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9500926161. Next, there is a job opening for front desk receptionist for the organization Hannu Kinders Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to 13,000 a month. Responsibilities will be like you should greet the clients and you should able to forward their request to the concerned employer manager and you should able to take care of couriers coming into the company organization and you should be able to handle the client calls and you should be able to manage administration related activities. You can browse the provided website link and apply for the job. Next, there is a vacancy for production in charge for the organization Best Corporation Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 30,000 a month. You should have a minimum 5 years of experience in Intent based government industry. Qualification is any degree or diploma and preferable for textile related courses. Work location is given here. You can check with that. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for more information. Email ID is jobs@bestcorp.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for executive stock compliance for the same organization Best Corporation Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Candidates should have minimum 3 years of experience in government industry and should have knowledge about internal stock audit compliance activities. Minimum qualification any degree or diploma. You can share your resume at the provided email ID jobs@bestcorp.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for receptionist or administration assistant for an organization Classic Polo. Salary offered minimum 10,000 a month. There is a job responsibilities provided here and you should have these skills: telephonic skills and verbal communication, listening skills and professionalism. You should be able to communication in Hindi and English, that is mandatory. So you should have a good communication knowledge of Hindi language and English language, that is mandatory. And you should serve visitors by greeting, welcoming and directing them appropriately. And you should notify company personnel of visitor arrival. You should notify the company and you should inform visitors by answering or referring inquiries, direct visitors by maintaining employee and department directories. Keeps a safe and clean reception area by complying with procedures, rules and regulations. So these are all the job responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9787375656. Next, there is a job vacancy for QC position for a Springfield Exports. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Responsibilities if we see checking measurement on production garments, after sewing garments and after ironing garments, and counting output of garments after sewing, and pieces checking for holes after printing, checking measurement in ongoing production and making sure they are as per specific specification sheet, and checking measurement after stitching, checking measurement after ironing, panel checking, and etc. This is the factory location, and only male candidates are preferred for this job role, and room accommodation will be provided for this job role. And you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9489972888. Next, there is a job vacancy for customer care executive for the organization Ramdas Cotton. Salary offered up to 13,000 a month. You can see responsibilities and requirements are given here. Responsibilities, if you see, you should be able to respond customer queries in a timely and accurate way via phone, email, or chat, and you should be able to identify customer needs and help customers. You should update their internal databases with information about technical issues and useful discussions with customers. You should monitor customer complaints on social media and reach out to provide assistance. Requirements are, if you see, skill set, you should have experience as a customer care executive or similar CS role. Familiarity with the industry is a plus. Excellent communication and problem solving skills. Any graduate. Freshers with strong communication can also apply. So if they have experience, that will be considered. Or if you are a fresher also, you are eligible for the job role. You should have a strong communication skills. You can browse the provided website link and apply for the job. Next, there is a job vacancy for VVRS Chit Fund Tamil Nadu Private Limited. They are looking for marketing executive position. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 25,000 a month. It is a field work and direct contact with the customers. It is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9344441923. Next, there is a job vacancy for VSI SAN for marketing executives. They are looking. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in crusher products in Tirupur area. And you should have a two-wheeler as well along with valid driving license. Who are willing to join at short notice will be preferred. So you can check with the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7339202666. Next, there is a job vacancy for Akshaya Prints. They are looking for marketing executive position. Minimum 2 years of experience is required in marketing field. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9790411188. Next, there is a job vacancy for production supervisor for olive clothiers. Salary offered minimum 13,000 to up to 15,000 a month. And the job description, if you see, you should have experience on government production line like and taking care of line production and assisting contractors and order follow-up. Should have knowledge on sewing machines, costing for garments is required, and auxiliaries inventory maintenance is required from the candidate. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9025890258. Next, there is a job vacancy for fire safety officer for the organization the Chennai Skills. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month. You should have a knowledge about problem solving technique and manpower handling, OEE monitoring, 5S, Kaizen, and TPM, Pokayoko 7QC tools. So this is the job description details, detailed information provided, and you should have in-depth knowledge of GDC process, control parameters, and defect prevention. You should have command on production planning and control. You should do a periodic review of roles and responsibilities of subordinates. You should have a skill to handle customers. Customer handling skills are required. You should have a strong analytical skills for responding to internal quality issues related to production. And you should be able to work for achieving quality target of zero defect through process improvement, defect mapping, rejection analysis, global benchmarking for process rejection. You should have a PPT skill, Microsoft Office, report preparation skills, and action plan preparation and monitoring skills. So these are all the responsibilities and roles assigned for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9952384111. Next, there is a job vacancy for Best Money Gold Jewelry Limited. They are looking for sales and marketing executives. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 25,000 a month. You can see that there is a job responsibilities provided here. You should be able to contribute to the development of marketing strategies. You should conduct promotional activities on their products and services and ideas. You should design and implement marketing plans for company products. You should coordinate with the media representatives and sponsors. You should work with the sales or purchase team to develop targeted sales or purchase strategies. You should answer client queries about product or services. You should maintain client relationships, and you should track sales or purchase data to ensure the company meets sales quotes, and you should create and present sales or purchase performance reports. So these are all the job responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7010894228. Next, there is a job openings for Central Institute for Cotton Research. There is a direct walk-in interview for the selection of temporary position of young professional 1 and 2 on 1st and 2nd February 2021. For more details, you can visit the official website of Central Institute for Cotton Research. This is www.cicr.org.in. For more details, you can browse the provided website address, and there will be a walk-in interview on 1st and 2nd February 2021. This is the address details. You can check with that. The organization address is available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for ACS EN Techs. They are looking for various positions like trainee technician. Qualification is BE or diploma, any stream, and BSc maths and other maths major subjects with no errors. And both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Job location will be at Salem. Freshers are eligible, and up to 3 years of any field experience will be considered. And age limit is below 26 years. The age should be below 26 years. So the job location will be Salem. Yeah, check with this. And there is one more job opening, graduate trainee. Qualification is any graduation. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Job location will be same. It is located in Attur, Salem. And freshers are eligible for the job role, and up to 3 years of experience any field is considered, and age limit is below 26 years. And there is also offering free accommodation and food from the organization itself. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7810098783, and you can share your resume at the provided email id hr@acsentex.com. So you can share your resume, and you can contact on the given phone number for further information. And there will be a competitive salary offered and awesome benefits from the organization. This is one of the great organization to work with it. You can contact on the given phone number for further details and get to know detailed information. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for your location. Please like our videos. It will encourage us to do more videos for your location. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share our channel with your friends and family members. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of jobs as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.